Your dropshipping store might be sending customers running for the hills without you even realizing it. There's a checklist of red flags that instantly scream scam to online shoppers, and most new stores are waving several of them like enthusiastic flags at a parade. Today I'll roast every red flag so you can fix them. Red flag 1. The everything is 80% OFF for the next 4 minutes store. We've all seen it. A countdown timer that resets when you refresh, prices slashed from imaginary highs, urgency cranked to 11. Real customers have seen this trick 1,000 times, and it now screams, "I think you're stupid." Genuine urgency works. Fake, resetting timer urgency makes you look like a carnival scam. Red flag 2. Product photos from the supplier that everyone's seen. The moment a savvy shopper recognizes the exact same photo they saw on 10 other stores, your legitimacy evaporates. It's like showing up to a party in the same outfit as 10 other people and claiming you're all original. Fix it with real, premium-looking visuals. I use Jajasoft image prompts so my products look like MY products, not the internet's communal stock photos. Red flag 3. No reviews, no social proof, no signs other humans have survived buying from you. An empty store feels like a trap. People trust crowds. If there's zero evidence anyone else took the plunge, nobody wants to be the first volunteer. Red flag 4. No clear policies. No visible shipping info, no return policy, no way to contact a human. To a customer, missing policies scream, "I plan to vanish with your money." Clear, easy-to-find policies are like showing ID. They prove you're not about to run. Red flag 5. The sneakiest one almost everyone has: silence. Here's the subtle killer. A customer has a question, tries to ask, and nothing. No chat, no answer, no response for hours or days. In the customer's mind, an unresponsive store is a scam store. Real businesses answer. Ghosts don't. And when a nervous shopper's question echoes into the void, they assume the worst and flee. This is why I put Jaja Helper on my store, so there's always an instant, helpful answer, 24/7. Responsiveness is one of the strongest anti-scam signals there is. It proves a real, caring operation is behind the store. The silent stores lose, the responsive ones convert. So audit your own store like a suspicious customer would. Are you running a fake countdown carnival? Wearing the internet's communal product photos? Showing zero proof anyone's ever bought? Hiding your policies? Ghosting people who ask questions? Each red flag you remove is a wall of suspicion coming down. The wild thing is, most stores aren't scams. They just accidentally look like scams because of these flags. Fix them, and your perfectly legitimate store finally gets treated like one. Stop waving the scam flags. Start earning the trust. Your honest store deserves to look as honest as it actually is.